Hey girl, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amber, and today we're diving into this beautiful hair transformation, this beautiful glueless body wave wig. So whether you're a busy bee or if you're a beginner in the world of wigs, this unit is definitely for you. So definitely keep on watching as we explore the features that make this gorgeous unit a game changer for sure, sis. Like, what? So today's collaboration is with WestKiss, and actually this brand has been around for a long time. I remember seeing this brand like back in the days. People been doing tons of reviews on this brand, and honestly when I take a look at their website, they have incredible options, amazing options, affordable, budget-friendly options for girls that want to slay but still want to look good on a budget. Girl, WestKiss is for you. They have tons of different styles, colors, lengths, you name it. So there's literally a little bit for everything, whether you're looking for curls, straight, blondes, colors, ombres. WestKiss has it all for an affordable price. Okay, so here's the box, and inside the box that I received was this silk bag, obviously to store the wig, and some goodies such as this brush to layer edges, and an elastic band, and a bonnet, which I really appreciate because it's an extra large one and I love that. Then there's also some lashes inside. And what I also like, obviously always what they put inside is this wig stocking cap. Actually, like for a bald cap method, but if you know me, I never do a bald cap method because it's definitely a waste of time. And with this particular unit, you don't even need that, right? So this is the hair that came inside of the box. This is how I pulled it straight out of the box. This is already done. The curls are there. This is a 4x7 20-inch body wave unit, okay? And besides the hair quality that's amazingly soft and beautiful, look at the hairline. Girl, can you see this? This is a 4K camera, and I cannot Photoshop this. This is super natural. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, pre-cut. So you can literally take this out of the box and put it straight on your hair. And you can see there's an elastic band in the back for extra security. The curls are beautiful and bouncy. What? And they hold. The curls, they stay like that. So this is a true definition of a beautiful body wave unit, okay? So let's talk a bit about the convenience factor. You don't need messy glues, and it's not time consuming at all to install, as you can see. Like, this lace closure wig is designed for easy of use, making it like a true beginner friendly option, sis. So you don't need to worry about the learning curve, learning how to install this and that. It's literally wear and go. You know, applying this unit is a breeze. Just secure it in place using the adjustable straps and the combs, and you're ready to go. Literally. So there's no glue, no stress, just instant glam. So yeah, this is just perfect for those days when you're busy, when you're in a hurry and you still want to look fabulous. This is gonna be your go-to unit, okay? So like I said, this hairline, it shocks me, because girl, for the price you get an incredible hairline that seamlessly blends with your skin color, and it just melts like butter. Like, you don't even notice that I'm wearing a wig right now because this lace is so thin, it's invisible, and it just melts with my skin. And that's what I love. Like, I love being a good hairline on a wig, okay? And you can see I'm wearing this completely glueless, girl. No need for glues, whatever. And the part on this 4x7 closure wig is super natural looking as well, which definitely helps to make this wig look realistic, which it definitely does. So let's talk a little bit about these gorgeous curls, because this is actually the first time that I saw a body wave texture like this. Normally you see waves, but this really has beautiful pipe curls, and this really adds a touch of sophistication. Super glamorous. The curls are so bouncy, giving you that fresh out of the salon look. So whether you're headed to the office or a night out or just running errands, like these curls will definitely turn heads. So yeah, I'm just really enjoying this unit. All these small details make this the perfect wig for anyone who's looking to dive into the world of wigs. And really the best part is that it just comes ready to wear. It's wear and go. You don't need additional styling because it's styled already. Just put it on, adjust it to your liking, and you're good to go, sis. Like this 20-inch length is just the perfect balance because it offers elegance without being too overwhelming. It's not super long, but it's also not short, making it perfect for every occasion. And this unit having a super clean, natural looking hairline that seamlessly bends with your scalp, that creates like a flawless finish. These small details make such a huge difference in achieving a natural and undetectable look. And for the price that you pay for this, girl, it's just a game changer. What? So yeah, this wig definitely did not disappoint. Affordability is key right now. For the price, you're not just getting a look, you're getting quality and style and just an easy of use unit, all at a price that will not break the bank. So it's definitely a little investment. Not like it's just a small amount that you pay, that you can put in your beauty routine, that is truly worth it, right? Whether you're a seasoned wig enthusiast or if you're just a newbie to the world of wig wearing, this glueless, ready to go body wave unit is definitely a game changer that you just need to try, that you need to have in your wig collection to slay with confidence. So if you want to get this exact unit that I'm wearing in this video, definitely click the link in my description box. It will direct you to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, let me know what you think of this unit. Would you wear a unit like this? I would love to know, sis. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.